Sahit. Today I am going to share an inspiring story, My Mother's Triumph. Let's start. In the 1980s, there lived a couple named Ramu and Vani in a small village. They were blessed with their first daughter, bringing immense joy to their lives. And soon after, they were graced with another baby girl. This baby girl was different. She was chubby, with fair skin, grey hair, and a charming smile that could light up any room. However, she was significantly heavier than an average newborn. Due to her weight, Vani faced severe difficulties during childbirth, and after the delivery, her legs were so weak that she struggled to walk.
3 start.
In those days, societal expectations placed a heavy burden on families, especially when they had daughters. Relatives began to criticize Ramu, saying that he was unlucky to have two daughters and that his wife's inability to walk was due to the second daughter. They spoke with disdain, blaming the innocent child for her mother's condition. Ramu, ignoring the harsh words of others, saw only love and potential in his newborn daughter's eyes. She is my daughter, he firmly said. I am happy to have such a beautiful and wonderful child. His words silenced the critics, and he focused on supporting his wife and children. They named the baby girl Sandhya. After 6 months of treatment, Vani was finally able to walk again. Ramu had very little money. Despite the financial challenges, Sandhya excelled in her studies. She was the top student in her class. As Sandhya grew up, in her final year of education, she married a kind and understanding man named Suresh. Although she was just finishing her degree, she had to step away from her studies to focus on her new role as a wife. Soon after, Sandhya became occupied with the responsibilities of her home, including the construction of their house and later the birth of their son Sahit. Although Sandhya was excellent in her studies, society's expectations and family responsibilities kept her from pursuing a career. Seeing her friends move ahead while she stayed behind was a painful reminder of the sacrifices she had made for her family. One day, Sandhya learned that a neighbor who was also a mother had started pursuing a master's degree with the support of her family. This ignited a spark in Sandhya, reminding her that it was never too late to chase her dreams. This inspired Sandhya to rekindle her own academic dreams. Without hesitation, she applied for a master's entrance exam and secured the 143rd rank in the exam. Returning to college after a 9-year gap in her education was not easy. Most of her fellow mates were at least 10 years younger than Sandhya, and they often ridiculed her for joining college at her age. Although she was hurt by their comments, Sandhya chose to focus on her studies rather than let their words bring down. Determined to prove herself, Sandhya worked harder than ever. She aced every exam, consistently earning the top rank in her class. The very students who once criticized her began to seek her advice on how to excel academically. Sandhya's perseverance earned her a gold medal for academic excellence, but she missed the award ceremony as her mother-in-law was hospitalized. This added to her lifelong pattern of missed recognition, making her feel it was her fate. After her mother-in-law's surgery, she visited her college and collected her gold medal. Due to her 9-year gap in education, many organizations were hesitant to hire her. This was another blow to Sandhya's confidence, as she felt that bad luck followed her at every turn. However, one company decided to interview her based on her academic achievements. She successfully passed 3 rounds of interview and was selected for the job. But just as things seemed to be falling into place, the COVID-19 pandemic hit and company put her hiring on hold. During this challenging time, Suresh contracted COVID-19 and had to be quarantined. Sandhya was deeply distressed but continued to hope for the best. When the company finally resumed its hiring process, they informed her that she would need to undergo one more technical round before being officially recruited. Despite her husband's illness and her own stress, Sandhya thought, "This is just my fate. I always have bad luck. I'll attend the interview, do my best, and whatever happens, happens." Despite feeling hopeless, she went for the interview, but this time her hard work paid off. She passed the technical round and secured her long awaited job. Thankfully, Suresh also recovered. Throughout this journey, Suresh was a pillar of strength, encouraging Sandhya every step of the way, from paying her college fee to helping take care of Sahit, especially during exam times and other important moments. His unwavering support enabled her to chase her dreams and achieve her goals. This woman, who faced countless battles with grace and determination, is none other than my mother. Her journey is a powerful example of perseverance and unwavering determination. I feel profoundly fortunate to be the child of such courageous and loving parents like Sandhya and Suresh. I admire my father and grandfather for encouraging and supporting the women in their lives to achieve their goals.
To
To many, securing a job might seem like just a routine milestone, but for my mother, it was the fulfillment of a lifelong dream. She wasn't just looking for a job, she was seeking recognition and respect as an individual, beyond the roles of a wife and mother. Her journey was marked by immense struggles and sacrifices, all in pursuit of her personal aspirations and identity. I am incredibly proud of everything she has accomplished. Amma, you have reached your goals and I know you will continue to achieve even more. Your journey has not only shaped your life but has also profoundly impacted mine. Love you so much, Amma. Thank you all.